Good morning! This place is so beautiful.
Good morning! Yes, the beach view is amazing.
Where are they sitting?
They are sitting at a beachside restaurant.
What are they doing?
They are having breakfast.
What is the girl drinking?
She is drinking iced coffee.
What is the boy drinking?
He is drinking orange juice.
Oh, okay.
What food is on the table?
There are fruits, bread, and salad on the table.
Is the weather sunny?
Yes, it is sunny.
Cheers.
What can you see behind them?
I can see the sea, boats, and palm trees.
It's beautiful. Are they happy?
Yes, they look happy.
Is it morning or evening?
It looks like morning.
Perfect. Let's eat. Where is this place?
It looks like a tropical beach. Thanks.